gonna get some naan bread. And then we're going to spread some olive oil all over the bread's edges. And then we're gonna get the marinara sauce and spread it all over the bread. Next, we're gonna put some oregano. And sprinkle it all over the bread. Then we're gonna get some mozzarella cheese and do the same thing. We're going to put some salami all over the bread.
You need to put more mozzarella, it's not enough.
We're gonna get the pepperoni and spread it.
Yeah, that's optional, the garlic. Okay. And put it in the oven for
400 degrees for 10 minutes.
okay. Okay, 10 minutes have passed. Okay, get it? If you want it crunchier, add a minute or two. Okay, put it here. That's the finished product.